Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss first chapter of English grammar, which is kinds of sentences. First we will discuss the definition of a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It must have words placed in the correct order. It begins with a capital letter. It ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. It must have a verb in it. In order to understand this definition, we will take one example. In first sentence, we saw that it is not in a perfect way. In second sentence, we can see that all the sentence is in the perfect way and it starts with a capital letter. It ends with a full stop and it contains a verb. So it means it is a complete sentence with a sense. Now we will discuss kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. First one is assertive or declarative sentence. An assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact. It states, asserts, or declares something. In simple words, we can say that a sentence which tells information. Here we can see some examples. First one is, a dog is man's best friend. Here we are telling an information that dog is always a best friend of man. In second sentence, the sandwich is very tasty. Here we are telling about the taste of sandwich. And in third sentence, Jant is a painter. He paints very well. Here we are defining the profession of Jant and his talent. Second type is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence which gives a command, makes a request or expresses a wish. ऐसे सेंटेंस जिसमें कोई कमांड दी गई हो, कोई रिक्वेस्ट की गई हो या कोई विश जाहिर की गई हो, उसे हम imperative sentence कहते हैं. Now we will look out the examples. First example is shut the door. This example is order based example. Please give me a glass of water, or we can say that may I come in, sir. These two sentences are a request sentence. Have a safe journey. This is wish kind sentence. So these all three examples are under the imperative sentence. Third type is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. जिस सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया हो वो इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, where do you study? And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses sudden and strong feelings, like when we are surprised, happy, angry, we will use exclamation. For example, hooray, we won the game. In this sentence, we have won the game and we are showing our happiness with the help of exclamation. Now we will discuss types of assertive sentences. Assertive sentences can be further divided into affirmative or simple and negative sentences. For example, it is raining today. My name is Kashmira. This is a table. These are all affirmative sentences. The sentences in which we have no, not, never, these sentences are negative sentences. For example, it is not sunny today. That is not the dress I wanted. And you have not done your work today. These are all negative sentences. We can change an affirmative sentence into the negative by using opposite of the word given in the affirmative sentence. We will take some example in order to understand these lines. First example is, he is quite old now. Answer will be, he is not very young now. In this sentence, we used young in the place of old in order to change the sentence in the negative form. Second example is, Mira is younger than Ganesh. The answer will be, Mira is not elder than Ganesh. What we did in this sentence, we used elder in the place of younger in order to change the affirmative sentence in the negative sentence. Third one is, the razor is blunt. The answer will be, the razor is not sharp. We used sharp, which is the opposite of blunt, in order to change the affirmative sentence into negative sentence. We can change negative sentence into affirmative sentence. What we have to do? We have to remove no, not, never, and we have to use opposite of the word given in the negative sentence. We will take some examples. This is not an impossible task. The answer will be, this task is possible. In this sentence, we removed not and we changed impossible into possible. Second example will be, the principal did not disagree with the plan. The answer will be, the principal agreed with the plan. What we did? We just removed did not and changed disagree into agree. Okay? We have already learned that what is exclamatory sentence. Now we will learn that we can change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. What we have to do? We have to remove how, what and the exclamation mark, and we have to use very in the place of how or what. We will take some examples. How handsome he is. The answer will be he is very handsome. What we did, we just remove how and exclamation mark and we used very in the place of how. Second example is how quick you are. Answer will be you are very quick. We removed exclamation mark and we used very in the place of how. Last example is what a wonderful view it was. The answer will be it was very wonderful view. We removed what and exclamation sign and we used very in the place of what. Thank you, students.